My name is Tom Muller. I'm the owner and president of Ocean Blue Logistics, or short name is Blue Logistics to keep it simple. We do fulfillment, warehousing, and assembly work. Originally started in 1999, so it's been around for a couple of years now. We're pretty boutique, so we really specialize in personal care. That could be dietary supplements, or it could be skincare products. What happens a lot is someone says they got a great new formula for anti-aging wrinkle cream, or a new dietary supplement for heart health. Is they're going to start launching into the industry. They want to get direct to consumer. They may want to be on the home shopping network. They may want to be at Costco. And so they're reaching out to find a provider to handle that distribution. We bring it in the door. We're doing quality control on their products, inventory it, control it. Storing is very important, and then we'll pull it. Or they're going to go direct to consumer, and then they're going to have a certain kind of packaging. Is it going to be a poly mail, or is it going to be a carton? With the startups and the smaller people, you're talking 10, 12 orders a day, very mom and pop. So we service the little customers as they're growing. Hopefully they're going to keep growing. And then a little more the medium size. And then our large customers are doing over 1,000 consumer orders a day. It was probably about 15 years ago. We moved all that production to OnlineLabels. The lead times with other suppliers was months. So we've had a great experience with OnlineLabels because it's here in town. We can go pick it up, order 3-4 pallets, and have it in a couple weeks. And we know it's going to be quality. It's the way it has to be. You have the inner label, the outer label, the carton label, the pallet label, the location label for storage, the receiving label. It's not just the pack slip. Now the other little labels we go through tens of thousands a day is item numbers, or Amazon requires a little sticker on there with the item number, or UPC. Our customers are seeing there's more personal touch, and they want to see. They want to see wrapped in tissue, the interior. There's going to be like a messaging on that packing slip. It's going back to a little bit more of that extra service, not just your Amazon order for your laundry detergent. For the high-end skincare products, they're wanting a better experience for the consumer. And we're the last leg in the chain, right? So they've designed it, they've built it, we're about to ship it, and of course we're the last part of that train to be able to execute it and get it out to the consumer or to distribution. It's that personal handhold. That's that touch, that we know what we're doing. We've been doing it a long time, so we have a good reputation. We like to be basically their personal warehouse. And that's how it took off.